heavy machinery efficiently gathers the Earth's resources, transforming raw desert into industrial potential.
The pristine desert whispers stories of raw beauty, where golden silica sand meets endless skies. Raw components converge, precisely measured, beginning their journey of transformation within the mixer. Essential raw materials, precisely separated, await their transformation into something new. The mixed materials feed into the fiery furnace, where intense heat begins their radical transformation. Molten glass flows onto liquid tin, spreading effortlessly, forming a perfect, uniform, glowing sheet. Within the furnace's heart, raw materials surrender, transforming into glowing, molten glass, a fiery liquid. Across the molten tin, a perfect glass sheet glides, forming with precise, effortless grace.
From molten depths, solid glass emerges, still warm, now moving forward on its journey. As heat recedes, the fiery glass cools, its vibrant glow softening, slowly transforming to solid form. Entering the annealing layer, the glass begins controlled cooling, strengthening its flawless structure.
Within the leher, glass achieves flawless clarity, its perfect surface silently gliding forward. From the layer, glass emerges. Perfectly clear.
With precise force, robotic arms snap the glass, creating perfect individual panels with a sharp, clean sound. A diamond's touch, a perfect score. The glass is marked, precise and pure, ready for separation.
Stacked glass panels shimmer, reflecting the world in fractured light, a testament to optical perfection. Robotic arms gracefully stack clear glass, building a shimmering wall of perfection, a testament to automation. The journey begins as the truck departs, carrying glass to distant places, a new chapter unfolding.
A robotic crane loads precision glass onto a semi-truck, ready for its journey, ensuring safe transit.
High above the city, workers install massive glass, reflecting the urban landscape, shaping the skyline. With skilled hands, a worker secures glass, ensuring a perfect fit, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. Expansive glass windows invite nature indoors, bathing this modern space in light, offering serene city views. Through flawless glass, the world unfolds, crystal clear, enhancing every journey, every view. Precision engineering shines through clear glass, revealing intricate LEDs within a modern car's headlight. With breath and skill, a glassblower transforms molten fire into art, a swirling, vibrant vase.
Precision optics within a camera lens reveal perfectly polished glass, enabling unparalleled clarity for photographers.
In a pristine lab, transparent glassware aids discovery, as a scientist meticulously prepares an experiment.
Through flawless glass, vision is perfected, offering a clear, sharp, undistorted view of the world.
A single drop ignites change. Blue liquid transforms into cloudy white, a captivating chemical spectacle. A finger glides across flawless glass, interacting with vibrant digital worlds, a touch of modern tech.
Through glass fibers, light travels, a vibrant spectrum, connecting our world with silent speed.
A water drop glides on tempered glass, protecting solar cells, demonstrating glass's resilient, functional power. Recycled glass gleams, sorted by machines, ready for rebirth, a testament to sustainable futures.
Glowing green glass pours, taking new form within the mold, a fiery rebirth from recycled material.
From the mold, a new bottle emerges, still glowing green, a testament to recycled materials' rebirth.
From clear glass, fresh water offers pure refreshment, a simple pleasure, enhancing everyday life.
Through flawless glass, a microscopic world thrives, revealing hidden details, a testament to scientific wonder.
Clear glass shelters vibrant life, sunlight nurturing growth, a greenhouse alive with nature's beauty.
Interactive glass guides, vivid graphics responding to touch, seamless technology in public spaces. With skilled strokes, glass transforms, becoming perfectly clear, offering pristine views, a sparkling surface.
A laser's precision fuses glass to metal, forming a perfect, hermetic seal. A marvel of high-tech manufacturing.
On a busy line, perfect glass bottles glide, flawless and gleaming, a testament to industrial precision.
A modern office boasts a clear glass table, reflecting light, defining sophistication and open design.
A laser's green light etches beauty onto glass, forming intricate patterns, a dance of precision.
Look, it's changing color exactly as predicted.
The exothermic reaction is clear now.
A polishing pad transforms glass, creating a perfect, gleaming surface, a testament to meticulous precision.
Through clear glass, a falcon's gaze is magnified, bringing distant nature into sharp, breathtaking focus.
In a sterile world, clear glass holds medicine, ensuring precision and safety, a symbol of health.
Beneath sapphire glass, a luxury watch reveals intricate craft, precise movement, timeless elegance, enduring.
A powerful water jet precisely cuts intricate shapes into glass, a marvel of high-tech manufacturing.
Within clear glass, mercury rises, measuring temperature with scientific precision, a testament to accuracy.
In a modern control room, clear glass displays vital data, guiding operations with futuristic precision.
Through flawless glass, life's smallest wonders appear, a human cell, revealing intricate biological marvels.
Through a periscope's clear lens, the ocean's surface appears, a distant ship in view for strategic observation. Glass transforms in fire, then cools rapidly, strengthening its core, a dramatic industrial process.
Impact. Tempered glass shatters safely into tiny cubes, a dramatic demonstration of controlled breakage.
Bright light meets clear glass, creating a vibrant spectrum of colors, a captivating scientific marvel.
Sunlight through stained glass paints a cathedral in vibrant hues, a majestic, spiritual, artistic masterpiece.
A giant glass mirror gleams, reflecting cosmic wonders.
Through a panoramic glass roof, the open sky unfolds, offering freedom, light, and endless views.
Skilled hands polish glass, revealing perfect facets and brilliant light, a testament to meticulous art.
In spinning glass, blood separates, revealing distinct layers, a testament to scientific precision and clarity. A clear glass vase holds vibrant flowers, stems visible, a testament to natural beauty and elegant transparency.
Through clear glass, a plant cell's intricate world appears,
revealing unseen biological wonders, rigid and beautiful.
Through clear glass, text is magnified, revealing hidden details, enhancing vision with optical precision.
Clear glass partitions define modern office spaces, fostering openness and collaboration, a transparent design.
Through flawless glass, a crystal's intricate beauty appears, revealing geometric wonders, a testament to scientific marvels. Through glass lenses, mountains sharpen, capturing breathtaking landscapes with optical precision, pure and clear.
A car's clear glass dashboard displays vital information, vibrant and sharp, enhancing the modern driving experience.
A glass bridge spans a canyon, a terrifying, exhilarating view, showcasing glass's strength and transparency.
In the rear view, the road recedes, a clear reflection, enhancing safety and awareness for all journeys. A rubber ball impacts glass, proving its resilience, protecting vibrant digital displays, strong and clear.
From skyscrapers to smartphones, glass empowers our world. Explore infinite possibilities. Subscribe now.